Hi, I'm Sebamangeni, who lives with autism spectrum disorder from Cape Town, South Africa. And yet again, it is Bafana Bafana's match day. And it's not just three group stage games. We are into a historical game that never ever done before. We finished second in Group A because the tournament just suspended from 32 to 48 participants. Therefore, this tournament is expected at least top two or three national teams with the best performance to make it to the knockout stages, such as last 32. Bafana Bafana in action against Canada both finish second in each group, which is Group A and B respectively. Can Bafana Bafana upset Canada tonight? As South Africans, we're ready. One last support for Bafana Bafana, 9 o'clock on SABC Sport. Go Bafana Bafana, go! Uruguay ni Grenjo. Hey, akumnandi mzansi.